Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this last minute Valentine's Day card that I am not too happy to be doing. And there's gonna be a lot of sarcasm in this video, you guys, so please don't take it serious. And if you hear me mumble, that's probably because I'm trying not to cuss. So, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be using the Picket Fence Captured Life in Color stamp here, which is this. I don't know if you guys saw it, but like this camera. You'll see it in a minute. And I picked up my son from school today, and he says, "Oh, Mom, want to see a Valentine's card that this girl gave me?" And I said, "What? What girl?" "What girl?" And it was super cute. It was handmade. I'm not going to show it to you guys because I don't know if my son's talked about my channel. I don't want to put her on blast. But it was really cute. And now he wants to give her something. And I'm not sure how I feel about that. So here I am, last minute, putting this card together. And I know that she takes pictures for the school, so hence the camera. And honestly, this should be the ugliest card I can make. But I'm trying to be a better person. I sound so mean. And you know what? My husband over there encouraging this behavior because he's 14 now, and God forbid the hormones get out of control. Wait until Adriana comes of age. He ain't gonna be high-fiving him then. I mean, of course, he's not going to be high-fiving my son, but what I meant to say is, because he's giving me such a hard time about it. I am not okay with this. He is my son. And over there, Michael, instead of being on my side, he's over there high-fiving his son. Or happy for him. Wait until Adriana gets a boyfriend. He's going to get payback of what of what I feel like. I'm laughing because, guys, you already know. I was trying to get the center, but that's okay. So stamp this with my Memento ink. I am going to move this aside. And you know what? I was going to use this cardstock, but why am I using my good cardstock on that girl? I'm going to have to find another one. You guys, please don't take this serious. I'm halfway joking, halfway being sarcastic, okay? So, you know what? To save time on this video so it's not like super long, I am going to color it off camera. I am going to be using, so this is my idea that I'm going to color this, fussy cut it out, put this heart in the center, and then I wanted nothing about love or anything. So you know what sentiment I found? This one that says, "Yay, friendship." And that's going to be the focus of the card. So I'm going to use the one that says "Yay, friendship." And then I'm going to use these two little flowers to make like a 3D and decorate around the camera. That's my idea. So we just went to Michael's and he bought her like a chocolate bar and then like a little keychain. And I should have made him buy a store-bought card. Just because you have a mom that does crafting for life doesn't mean that every girlfriend or little crush you get, I have to make them a card, right? I'm just being super nice this time because it's the first time. But I don't know if I'm going to do this in the future. I may have to think on that one. So anyways, I'm going to color this off camera, you guys. Be back in a minute. I'm back. I've colored the camera, I decided to take the sentiment out of it. It said, I just cut it out. This part right here that says capture life in full color. So I just kind of cut that out. I'm going to make my own little dots, so I'm not worried about that. I was going to stamp the heart, but I was just looking across the table and I found this. So I'm thinking that I'm just going to do this. Like that. What do you guys think? Does the white one look better? No, let's do the pink, because I can mix the white with something else. So I'm gonna do that there. I mean, look, you already feel some kind of way, right? About this, let me see which cardstock I want to use. Do I have a scrap? Do I have something pre-made? This is so hard. Having teenagers and the hormones are raging out of control. Let me find a cute paper. Just kind of eyeballing, you guys. Yeah, that's fine. Right there. And we're gonna move on because this is taking way too much time. More than I intended it for it to be, but I just lost my tape. So I guess I'll use this one. Because I don't know where the other one left. Where it left. Like it just got up and left my table. Guys, I'm just over here mumbling to myself. Talking nonsense. All right, let's add this to the center, kind of eyeball it without, can I center it first? Oh, you know what I forgot? The little flowers I said I was going to add. And where are the little ones? I don't think I'm going to color these. I kind of like the, I don't know, I'm telling you guys, I love these black and white flowers. So I think I'm just going to leave them how they are. And I'm going to, this is fussy cut. These little ones. Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna put this one like right here, and I'm gonna kind of bend the petals so that it looks like it's 3D, obviously. Only the ones that are on the front, which are the smaller ones. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna adhere this now. Let me put some tape here and tape here. Okay, and we're going to put that there, and then these will go on the front. So see if I can hide it. Okay, maybe this one doesn't need to go. But down there. Why does it look like it's like a little bit off? So let me put it. Next. Okay. I am going to kind of remove this carefully for a minute. Just so that my block has enough space to kind of sit that in the front. I am going to pull the sentiment. This is from Kelly Perky and it's Yay Friendship, like I told you guys. We are not promoting a boyfriend and girlfriend relationship right now. We are promoting a friendship, and that's what I chose as the sentiment. So we're going to, maybe I should do it separately so that it stands out. Let me see if I could use this. Don't mind my little scrap over here that I messed up a few times. Like I said, I've dedicated way too much time to this to this card. I'm just kidding, you guys, of course. Please don't take me serious like I'm hating on the girl. Instead of stamping dots, because I don't think I have actual stamping dots, but instead of that, I think I'm going to use enamel dots, which, where do I have some? I have some here that are just waiting to be crafted. We have, no, red is too powerful. Some blue ones. Maybe some of my leftover gems over here I have. Maybe a little bit. I feel like I have way too much. You know what? I have too much going on. But you know what? We don't care. You guys are gonna think I'm like the meanest person. I'm not, you guys. Obviously, I wouldn't be making it if, you know, I was a really mean mom. But, you guys already know why I'm doing it. I think I'm gonna add like a little white space just so that he could write Happy Valentine's Day. And you know what? My son didn't get me anything for Valentine. Like, hello. Still your mom. And I don't care that it's not Mother's Day. Your mom should always be your first Valentine and your forever Valentine. Okay, let me make a little dent right there. I'm cutting it on the side. So I'm just going to add that here, and we are going to call this card done. I want nothing else to do with it. And he should be happy that I even did this. Should have made him buy one. I'm cracking myself up, you guys, because I'm over here like talking to myself. I'm so sorry. And yeah, but that's it. We're going to call this card done, done, done. It's not a big thing. I don't know what you guys think about it. I don't know. That maybe the heart is too big. Do you guys think? Let me find a smaller heart. I recently got this Studio Calico kit for this month. And I noticed it came with a bunch of these hearts. I'm wondering if there's like a little one that I could use. I know I have some stickers that have some, yeah, these are way too big. Like, look how big the hearts are. Yeah, that's too big. So I'm not gonna use that. These are leftover hearts that somebody gave me. You know what? That's what we're gonna use. We're gonna, like, why is the heart so uneven? Let's do this one. Although I don't have anything that bright. There, perfect. I mean, I don't have anything that red, but you know what? It is what it is. That's gonna be it for the card today, you guys. She better be happy. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching the short card. I kind of just put together last minute. I don't even know if it goes, but we're gonna make it go. I think if I were to do anything to tie in a little bit of the gold from these little like crystals, I am probably going to splatter, or you know what, sometimes when you don't have splatter, you use a marker. And let me see if I could get it functioning, because it's brand new. Where are you? And I don't even know why he's into this, because I already told him he's gonna be in arranged marriage. I'm just kidding, you guys. Please don't take me serious, okay? Let me just do some random, like, splatter there. I think that's good. Okay, guys, so here is the final look of the Valentine's Day card that I created. My son wants to give it to a girl. I know. Sorry, you guys. It's time to end the video. But this is the final look of it. Put a little white cardstock so he could write something. And along with that, I need to find an envelope for this, and then probably like a pretty little pouch. I think I have a spare one somewhere. So I need to find an envelope for this card. And then he's also buying a Hershey almond chocolate, which are my favorite. I wonder if he ever watches this video, if he's gonna think about getting me something for Valentine's Day. After all, I am his mom, you know? So the chocolate, and then look, he chose this pretty little keychain for her backpack or for her purse, although I don't think they carry purses in 8th grade. Maybe they do, but for a backpack or for something. So that's gonna be it. They're not boyfriend and girlfriend, they're just friends, is what I'm told. I wasn't born yesterday, so we'll see. We'll see what this turns out to be, you guys. But thank you for watching and letting me share with you this new chapter in my life that's gonna be full of heartbreak. And hopefully I don't get replaced. I'm kidding. I know that I won't. I know that I won't. But this is the beginning. This is a prime example of the beginning that is yet to come. So thank you for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one, and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Bye.